Aeroflex Industries Limited is an esteemed entity within India, commanding recognition as the distinguished provider of flexible flow solutions. Well known for its proficiency in manufacturing stainless steel flexible flow solutions, Aeroflex embodies a steadfast dedication to excellence, resolute commitment, and an unwavering pursuit of continuous improvement. Aeroflex embarked on its transformative journey in 1998, experiencing remarkable growth and expansion through the years. Fueled by a visionary pursuit of global expansion, Aeroflex now serves a clientele across over 80 countries. This remarkable achievement can be attributed to Aeroflex's unwavering commitment to providing a diverse portfolio of high-quality products and services facilitated by a dedicated workforce exceeding 300 personnel, which includes executives, skilled and unskilled employees deployed across various departments. Aeroflex manufactures stainless steel flexible hoses through both hydraulic and mechanical processes. The stainless steel sheets are first converted into flexible, corrugated hoses on the hose machines. Then, utilizing a special braiding process, a meticulously woven wire cover is artfully applied over the hose. This intricate braided layer serves a dual purpose. Firstly, thwarting any potential elongation of the hose when subjected to internal pressure, and secondly, empowering the hose to withstand significantly elevated working pressures with exceptional prowess. We manufacture hoses ranging from 1/4 inch to 14 inches in diameter, encompassing a wide range of applications. With more than 1,700 SKUs, Aeroflex provides a comprehensive offering to meet various industry needs. We use handheld tablets for feeding information from the shop floor into our SAP software. This ensures a seamless and real-time flow of information, providing our customers the invaluable reassurance of full end-to-end traceability. Aeroflex's remarkable achievements are a result of its dedicated design, research and development department, which drives innovation and intelligent designs. This highly skilled team continuously explores new concepts, materials and manufacturing techniques to exceed industry standards and meet customer needs. Thorough testing and validation processes, including advanced simulations and real-world evaluations, ensure the highest quality products. Furthermore, Aeroflex demonstrates a strong commitment to the well-being of its employees, as evidenced by the establishment of its own occupational health center and mind and body wellness center at its manufacturing facility. These dedicated facilities go beyond conventional healthcare support, providing comprehensive services to ensure the physical and mental well-being of the workforce and to encourage the maintenance of a healthy lifestyle and productivity. By prioritizing innovation, quality and employee welfare in equal measure, Aeroflex fosters a positive work environment that nurtures employee satisfaction and enables the company to consistently deliver maximum customer satisfaction on a global scale. With high production capabilities for flexible flow solutions, Aeroflex caters to the diverse demands of various industries. The company holds prestigious certifications, including various ISO certifications, Full Quality Assurance Certificate, Certificate of Design Assessment, and Testing Certificate for gas hose assemblies, affirming its commitment to international quality standards. By investing in research and development and prioritizing employee training, Aeroflex remains at the forefront of engineering innovation. Aeroflex's stringent systems ensure outstanding quality, supported by rigorous safety measures and testing protocols. Aeroflex's impact extends industry-wide, revolutionizing the use of flexible flow solutions across sectors previously reliant on alternative materials. Aeroflex is poised to shape the future of the flexible flow industry and deliver outstanding value to its customers worldwide.